Welcome to the DataStage Training. Over the next 2 weeks, we'll transform you from a beginner to a confident DataStage user. Week 1 covers the foundations, while Week 2 dives deeper into advanced topics. Expect hands-on learning, interactive discussions, and yes, a few moments of trial and error, because that's how the best learning happens. By the end, you'll walk away with expertise and hopefully a certification. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. All right, let's start with the basics. DataStage is an ETL tool that helps businesses seamlessly move and transform data. Why does it matter? Well, without data integration, companies would be drowning in isolated information silos. DataStage simplifies this process and makes life easier. We'll explore its powerful features and how it plays a critical role in real-world applications. And trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how businesses ever survived without it. ETL is the backbone of data management. We extract raw data from different sources, mold it into a useful structure, and load it into the destination system. Sounds simple, right? Well, think of it as making a smoothie. You pick fresh ingredients, blend them for the perfect texture, and serve up a delicious final product. ETL does the same with data. And just like a bad smoothie recipe can ruin your day, poor ETL processes can mess up business operations. Welcome, everyone. Today, we are diving into the world of DataStage and its powerful data handling capabilities. First, we'll explore different data sources and formats, from structured databases to semi-structured XML and JSON files. Next, we'll cover ETL principles, because let's be real, data doesn't just magically transform itself. Then we'll discuss various data types and how DataStage handles them with precision. Finally, we'll ensure our data stays clean and reliable, because messy data is just bad news. Let's get started. All right, let's talk about job sequencing and parameterization. First, we set up jobs and organize them properly, because chaos is not our friend in data processing. Then we define dependencies so jobs run in the right order, no jumping the queue. Third, parameters help us make jobs dynamic, adaptable, and honestly way cooler. And last but not least, optimization ensures we don't spend forever waiting for jobs to execute. Let's make our DataStage workflows as smooth as butter. Nobody loves errors, but they happen, so let's tackle them like pros. First, recognizing the common issues in DataStage is half the battle. Next, we use logs and debugging tools to locate trouble spots efficiently. Think of it as detective work but with code. Third, automation saves the day with smart error handling mechanisms, so we don't have to babysit processes 24/7. Finally, we'll go over best practices to keep things running smoothly. Errors beware. Performance matters, and nobody wants sluggish DataStage jobs. First, we make processing more efficient with smart techniques. Next, cutting down resource consumption keeps our systems from slowing to a crawl. Third, parallel processing means we can do more in less time. Teamwork makes the dream work. Finally, monitoring and tweaking performance ensures things run like a well-oiled machine. Let's make DataStage lightning fast. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.